Everyone loves photography, but sometimes it takes strength, patience, and even a little imagination to get the perfect shot. And not all shots are perfect. What's even worse, the sophisticated operations of cameras can confuse even the most seasoned photographers. Introducing Case Air. Case Air is the smallest Wi-Fi DSLR remote controller. When you connect your phone to the Case Air, you can adjust the parameter of the camera with the app in the distance, so you no longer get anxious with your camera's complex functions. Using Case Air, photos can be taken nice and easily. All you have to do is just set up and wait. The Case Air also works great with a robotic camera mount and tripod. And experience the handy accuracy through the app. Once you are done, the photos will be automatically downloaded to the app using the Wi-Fi connection. Case Air is not just for photography. Using the Case robotic camera mount, you can remote control the movement of the camera during the video recording with a touch of a button and share your photos instantly. The Case Air is small as the size of a key. Size is 2.4 inch by 1.6 inch by 0.4 inch, only 50 grams. It's convenient and portable. You can mount it anywhere you like. Case Air is equipped with a 6-hour work time and 9-hour standby time. It is compatible with 3 camera USB interfaces and supports 4 operation systems.
2 years ago, we launched the Case Remote One on Indiegogo. With support of our backers, we improved the software architecture and added the video control and photo transfer functions, then expanded the software from iOS and Android to Windows and Mac. Now, the software has been updated to version 2.3 and has more than 20,000 users. Our product received lots of feedback from Case community. Based on that, we sought to challenge the limitation of electrical and mechanical design. We decreased the size by 70%, improve the structure, and make it more reliable. For the first generation, the Wi-Fi signal was not excellent, so we took 6 months to optimize the antenna. Although we made 4 samples and failed 4 times, finally we made it at the 5th time. Now, the new product is light and works excellent, so we name it Case Air. The Case Air is complete and ready for mass production. It is designed by Case community and developed by Sharing Tech. Without the support of our users, it will never be completed. So, join this wonderful community. Help us to develop innovative products together.
A wide-angle lens is a basic but very important part for every photographer's bag. There are a lot of wide-angle lenses in the market, but most of them are suffering from either dramatic barrel distortion, poor corner sharpness, or are too bulky to carry. Over the last 2 years, Venus Optics has launched a number of lenses to meet the unique needs of photographers. Today, we are launching the Laowa 12mm f2.8, an incredible ultra-wide angle lens with close to zero distortion. We have spent a lot of time to design and develop a rectilinear lens which can overcome the weaknesses of existing wide-angle lenses on the market. We also need the lens to be fast and wide enough for all types of photography, from landscape, architecture, interior, to travel and astrophotography. The Laowa 12mm f2.8 gives you an extreme 122 degrees angle of view, allowing you to compose an impressive landscape photo with ease. It also allows you to capture the beauty of architecture with close to zero distortion. Even if you're shooting a small house, it will still look spacious and impactful in your photos. Keeping barrel distortion out of images from ultra-wide-angle lenses is challenging. The ultra-wides in the market tend to suffer from 2 to 5% distortion. The wider the lens, the higher chance of distortion. Our design team took on the challenge and came up with an optical design which can successfully minimize the distortion to an extremely low level. You'll struggle to see any straight lines which have been distorted. And what about the size? People are amazed at how small and light our Laowa lens is when compared to other ultra-wide and fast lenses on the market. You can insert 100mm neutral density filters and a 105mm circular polarizer into our optional filter holder to create the best landscape photo ever. It weighs just 610 grams and has a front diameter of 77mm. Our Laowa lens is currently the fastest 12mm lens in the market for full-frame cameras. The large aperture is perfect for astrophotography, where a shorter exposure time is really critical for that perfect Milky Way shot. And of course, it is also extremely convenient for shooting action in limited light or in an indoor environment. In order to be the best ultra-wide-angle lens, an outstanding optical performance cannot be compromised. Housed with 16 lens elements, including 3 extra low dispersion elements and 2 aspherical lens elements, our Laowa lens gives excellent sharpness and contrast from corner to corner. Chromatic aberration is also extremely well controlled.
Laowa 12mm f2.8 is the best ultra-wide-angle lens that everyone has been dreaming for. And now the prototypes are ready, and we need your support to realize this dream and send the lens to serial production. Thank you for supporting us to develop extraordinary lenses. Thank you.
When I go out to shoot pictures, I used to have to bring my GPS unit, remote shutter control, and a bunch of other devices with me until I got this neat little gadget called Pinout. Pinout has all the functions I need, so I don't need anything else. I bring Pinout everywhere I go. It works beautifully with my smartphone, records the location's information, and embeds it into the photos I take automatically. The other day, I went to shoot a short time-lapse video. I simply opened the Pinout app from my smartphone, set all the necessary parameters, and enjoyed every moment of my transformation into a samurai. Pinout can also remotely control up to 10 cameras simultaneously. Here, I set up 9 cameras to automatically detect my every move from different angles. With Pinout, I'll never miss another shutter chance. Pinout is a must to shoot night scenes. With Pinout's remote shutter function, I can avoid small vibrations that lead to blurry pictures. I also use Pinout when I'm on the move. On my way back, I set Pinout to shoot the street scene every 50 meters from my car. I had an incredible day. I can't wait to see the pictures. This is all the magic of pinout.
Hi, my name's Alex from a company called Flyonex, and welcome to our Kickstarter campaign. At Flyonex, we specialise in remote camera platforms for film and television production, with a history of designing, building and operating unmanned aerial systems. We understand the challenges of providing stable footage and strive to overcome these issues. We have already developed a camera stabiliser that provides rock-solid stable footage. We call it the F25. This system is a 3-axis gyro-stabilised camera gimbal offering affordability and quality in a lightweight but incredibly robust package. Working closely with filmmakers, camera operators and industry leaders, it became clear that there was a gap in the market for a stabiliser that integrates seamlessly with existing film and television equipment. For this reason, we are developing an advanced system that we call the F95. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminium, the F95 is raising the bar in strength and durability whilst maintaining a lightweight framework. With an ARRI dovetail slider as standard for camera mounting, operators for the first time take their current setup from tripod to stabiliser in one simple action. With motor lockouts for each axis and fine precision adjustment screws on the camera tray, the often frustrating task of balancing the rig has never before been quicker or easier. Incredibly high torque brushless motor technology allows for payloads of up to 10 kilograms and covers a huge range of cameras, lenses and accessory configurations. We are looking for your help to kickstart us in the production of our new stabilisers. We are looking to raise £25,000 to enable us to purchase additional tooling for our CNC milling machines. This will aid us in the development of more complex components and in turn cut down on machining time, allowing us to keep our products sensibly priced. We will also use a portion of the money to develop a simple to use app with a Bluetooth interface for quick tuning of the stabilisers when changing configurations. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. We really appreciate your support and can't wait to deliver our exciting new products.
Hi Kickstarters, my name is Ivan from Custom SLR, and I'm really excited to introduce our next project. We call it the ProDot, a tactile shutter release button for cameras. The ProDot instantly enhances the most critical engagement point of your camera, the shutter button. As it turns out, camera shutter buttons often require your finger to fully depress to capture a shot. This often results in delay or unnecessary vibrations leading to missed shots. The ProDot enhances your shooting experience and puts your fingertip at instant engagement so you can capture better photos. It is built with a vibration-free material that reduces shaking and improves comfort. Originally designed for cameras, we also found more uses for the ProDot. Kickstarters, we need your help to get this project going and explore new applications for the ProDot. Thank you for your support and have a great day.